Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best welding knee pads in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is NoCry Professional Knee Pads with heavy-duty foam. The NoCry Professional Knee Pads are also another incredible option for knee protection, especially if you are someone whose daily and responsibilities involve lots of kneeling and bending. I think that these knee pads from NoCry continue to deliver an excellent job in terms of giving reliable safety and protection. Among the first few things that I truly admire in these knee pads are the gel technology pads. The fact that the product is well cushioned and well padded means that your vulnerable parts will stay safe each time you knee or bend in an uneven or hard surface. I am also glad of how smartly these professional knee pads design. The knee pad is created and styled in a way that the user will be able to kneel and bend several times within a day without worrying about extreme pain and fatigue. I am also in favor of the built-in poly shield design, as I noticed how good this works in keeping you fully protected from scrapes and cuts. The strap can be conveniently adjusted as a means of fitting a knee circumference of around 22 inches. The NoCry Professional Knee Pads feature slip buckle clips, too, that play a crucial role in letting the knee pad stay in place all times, preventing you from having to set them in place each time you intend to kneel. Number 2. Our second best pick is REXBETI knee pads for work construction gel knee pads tools. I am sure that the knee pad for work offered by REXBETI will not also let you down. It is premium-grade knee pads known for its robust and sturdy construction, maximizing its overall durability. I specifically interest how heavy-duty its shell is because I realized how important this is in improving the ability of the knee pads to offer sufficient protection. When it comes to the interior, I am so happy with the high-density padding used in these products. It is meant to increase the protective nature of the safety product, while keeping the knee pad as convenient and comfortable to wear as possible. These knee pads have an improved design which aims to offer all-day comfort. This is possible by ensuring that you stay in the central position regardless of the floor or surface where you are bending or crawling. I am also amazed by the thigh support anti-slip design showcased by the knee pads, as it contributes to letting it fit snugly and securely in place all times. The knee pads boast of its hook and loop tapes designed to provide wrapping the knee pads firmly and securely around the knee, thereby preventing them from slipping down that fast. These products are easy to wear and comfort attached. Number 3. Our third best pick is Thunderbolt knee pads for work. The knee pad is also non-slip. With its heavy-duty and anti-slip structure, you will gain protection from all sorts of possible damage, including abrasions to various surfaces. I also think that these knee pads can keep those vulnerable parts protected from glass, screws, and nails. In fact, I discover how it makes a great option for those searching for the best construction knee pads or a pair of protective knee pads for other types of actions. I think it is due to the quality of its construction and well-reinforced stitching. The knee pads are also designed to provide not only shielding but also for quite a long time. The product can deliver a great comfort through its ergonomic design. Since it is ergonomically designed, I can also assure the great number of its users that the knee pad can offer a high support to the patellar tendon, which is located below the knee. The knee pads can also offer support to the quadriceps found over the knee. I am also pleased with the presence of its thick and well-engineered pads core, as well as the soft gel technology core, since both can maximize protection and comfort. These knee pads assure the user of all-day comfort with its snug and comfortable to wear brought on by its adjustable fastening system. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Balance Professional Knee Pads for work. By using heavyweight nylon thread, they bring you foam soft EVA knee pads that can withstand years of use while being breathable enough to prevent sweat buildup to keep your knees cool and dry for optimal performance. Their heavy-duty knee pads with soft EVA foam padding uses double straps that safely keep it in one place without loosening or slipping along. They use adjustable clips that easily let you put them on and take them off while allowing you to adjust the height and tightness of the pads. Their gel construction knee pads are designed to provide your knees with the extra protection they need to keep them safe. Using a heavy-duty thick poly shield, their work knee pads protect your knees from cuts and scrapes so that you can work comfortably for longer. Thanks to the soft gel core and durable EVA foam padding, you can use our professional construction knee pads for countless hours, making these pads ideal for indoor and outdoor work like wood flooring, gardening, carpentry, welding, roofing, tiling, cleaning and so much more. If you are looking for a present that's both practical and actually useful, and their adjustable knee pads for gardening and construction have you covered. These make a unique and thoughtful gift for both men and women that will help make working on the floor at home or on the job easier and comfier. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Sellstrom KneePro Knee Pad Ultra Flex Hybrid 3. Sellstrom's KneePro Hybrid Ultra Flex 3 offers all of the same legendary features as the KneePro Ultra Flex 3 pad, but has the added advantage of a built-in GL pack for added comfort and fit. This is the ultimate knee pad for the extreme applications where users are on their knees for extraordinarily long periods of time. Unlike many GL pads on the market, our GL packs are securely placed inside a 3-layer, 3/4, closed-cell foam knee protector compartment and are guaranteed to stay leak-free. The new KneePro Hybrid Ultra Flex 3 offers all of the same legendary features as the KneePro Ultra Flex 3 pad but has the added advantage of a built-in gel pack for added comfort and fit. This is the ultimate knee pad for extreme applications where users are on their knees for extraordinarily long periods of time. Gel pack is securely placed inside a 3-layer compartment and is guaranteed to stay leak-free. Available with black shells and high-vis orange grip strip. Metal rivet hinge offers ease when walking or kneeling. Non-marking grip strip is safe on any floor or surface. Soft elastic straps and speed clips allow for quick attachment. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.